What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap, and today we had another W trade, 1 to 3 risk reward hit. It's currently May 15th. It's Wednesday, and we took this trade about an hour after market open. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. So before I always trade, before market opens, I always look at my my daily. Let me delete all this stuff. There we go. I always look at my daily bias, right? So let's go down to the 4-hour here. And as you can see, we are bullish, right? We are bullish, and we're looking for bias. We're looking for longs today because we are bullish on the 4-hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour to secure our bias. If we look at the 1 hour, this is bullish, right? We are in a little bit of a retracement here, but look, this happened at 6, right before market open, so we are still bullish. So what we did was we wanted to mark out these lows and wait for the liquidity sweep to happen, and which it did. It happened actually pre-market, and this is why you see this big candle. This is actually on news. We had high impact news today, so I wasn't even thinking about trading today, but this is a news candle, and the liquidity sweep happened right here. So if we go into our 15-minute, right, here's the initial setup I wanted to take, right? So look at this. We have a huge imbalance right here that price is respecting on, right? It is not breaking this imbalance. It is respecting it. So that's huge bullish bias, right? I wanted, though, to retrace into the order block right here, but didn't happen. Didn't end up happening. Right, this is my target. I wanted price to, scale back down into here and tap into this and then reverse, but we didn't happen, right? It didn't happen. So what do? I scale down to the 5-minute, right? I know price is respecting this imbalance. So what do? Well, we're on the 5-minute. We see another imbalance right here. We could get rid of this now. And this is where I thought that I missed my trade of the day. So as you can see, we have a 5-minute candle break through this imbalance, which is very bullish bias, right? Very bullish bias. So we go into the 1-minute here, and we see that price breaks through it. I'm like, oh, did I miss it? Look at this. We have another imbalance here. I'm going to draw right here. And if we drag it, look at that. Price respects it. So again, I missed this trade, right? If I saw this live, I would have entered off the tap of this fair value gap, and I would have entered probably right here, setting my stop loss below the fair value gap and setting my high probably at this high for 1 to 2.6, right? That would have been a nice trade to take, but we missed it. So boohoo, we didn't get that trade, right? There's still other opportunities though. That's why patience wins, right? So knowing that I missed that, I'm like, okay, this is where we're at now. I missed that, and I see that price. I think I drew an equilibrium first on this low to this high. Yep, and then what did I also do? I think I saw another imbalance that I ended up drawing. I think it's on the 1-minute time frame. Yep, right here. So I saw this imbalance, so I decided to draw that out. And look at that. Not only does price retrace, right? It retraces. We get a liquidity sweep. Boom, break a structure, retraces, taps into equilibrium, taps into the fair value gap. I entered right there. I set my longs. Set my long right here. Set the stop. Set the stop loss below the fair value gap. Set my high right at this high, when I should have set it right there for a 1 to 10. Or we could just scroll that down. 1 to 6. But shoulda, woulda, coulda. I set my high right here. I played it safe for about a 1 to 3.5 risk reward, like that. That was the trade. That was the exact setup I did. and yeah, it hit obviously, and some. Look at that. I bought 2 contracts, so next time what I'm gonna do is I would sell 1 contract on this high that you see right here, and then I would have my other take profit contract right here, and it would hit twice. So, but other than that, yeah, man, that was a very good trade for me. I usually have not been taking trades off the 1 minute, but recently the 1 minute is like goated, because if you go to the 5 minute here, like I don't know if you would have been having the confluences to enter off the 5 minute, but the 1 minute I got perfect confluences. I knew that we were still bullish, and yeah, I entered and took a great trade, and it hit about literally like 10 minutes after. Good risk reward, and yeah, thank you guys for watching this trade recap video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and take care.